बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज बच्चे हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं एल्डिहाइड कीटोन लेक्चर नंबर 4। और आज हम पढ़ेंगे बेस कैटालाइज्ड न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शंस का मैकेनिज्म, रिएक्शन विद हाइड्रोजन साइनाइड विद कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड विद मैकेनिज्म एंड रिएक्शन विद सोडियम बायसल्फाइड विद इट्स मैकेनिज्म। तो बच्चे आज हमारे पास 3 टॉपिक्स हैं। नाउ वी डिस्कस वन बाय वन। व्हेन कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड्स, when they are reacting by nucleophile HNU, it is the nucleophilic addition reaction with general mechanisms. These are the base catalyzed reactions. This carbon contain partial positive charge and O contain partial negative charge due to its more electronegative nature. So this hydrogen attacks on negative oxygen and the nucleophile attacks on positive carbon. You got addition reaction. Your answer is nucleophile attacks on carbon and hydrogen attacks on oxygen. You got one product, so it is called addition reaction. Now we see the mechanism. In this mechanism, when HNU reacting by base, H contain partial positive charge, nucleophile contain partial negative charge. This OH attacks on hydrogen and forms water. The electron pair shifting towards nucleophile, so it forms nucleophile that contain negative charge as well as lone pair of electron. This nucleophile formed in first step. ये बच्चे आपका अटैक करेगा टू कार्बोनाइल compound means aldehyde or ketone. This nucleophile attacks on carbon center. As a result, this bond break. And your answer is, जो आपके न्यूक्लियोफाइल ने बॉन्ड बनाया कार्बन से by donating the electron pair to carbon, and this bond break. So oxygen पे जो double bond था that break and negative charge shifting towards oxygen. And then in the last step, the product formed in the second step, reacting by water. अगर हम इसको ओपन कर लें HNOH, H contain partial positive charge, OH contain partial negative. This oxygen attacks on hydrogen and this bond break. And your answer is, इस ऑक्सीजन पे वाटर के H ने अटैक किया and you got O with H and loss of OH take place. तो बच्चे reaction start by the OH, that is base, and base reproduce at the end of reaction. That's why they are called base catalyzed nucleophilic addition reaction of carbonyl compound. तो ये बच्चे आपका मैकेनिज्म था, जनरल मैकेनिज्म फॉर nucleophilic addition reaction which are base catalyzed. Now we discuss some examples of base catalyzed nucleophilic addition reactions. Now the question is addition of hydrogen cyanide to carbonyl compounds. Addition of hydrogen cyanides to carbonyl compound. First we write formaldehyde. अच्छा रिएक्शन बहुत आसान एंड बहुत सिंपल रिएक्शंस हैं. कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड वी टेक फॉर्मल्डिहाइड, वी टेक एनिहाल्डिहाइड और एसिटाल्डिहाइड एंड वी टेक एसीटोन एज वेल. इन सब का बच्चे रिएक्शन पैटर्न बिल्कुल एक जैसा. आप इनमें ऐड करवा रहे हो हाइड्रोजन साइनाइड. इन ऑल दीज रिएक्शन हाइड्रोजन साइनाइड react with carbonyl compounds and by using, in all these reactions we have similar condition, that is sodium cyanide in the presence of HCl. Again sodium cyanide by using HCl. Here as well sodium cyanide by using hydrochloric acid. Now your product are, now first we discuss about sodium cyanide and HCl. They combine to give HCl. That is, अगर हम यहाँ डिस्कस कर लें, when sodium cyanide reacting by HCl that produce NaCl along with, ये बच्चे साथ आपका बनाएगा HCl hydrogen cyanide. This hydrogen cyanide is used in this reaction. Now this carbon contain partial positive charge, O contain partial negative. So this cyanide nucleophile goes to carbon and this oxygen attacks on hydrogen. So your answer is HCH. बच्चे मैंने ये साइड कॉपी की, H सिंगल बॉन्ड C सिंगल बॉन्ड H, और इस CN ने अटैक किया कार्बन पे and hydrogen attacks on oxygen. So you got addition product that is named as formaldehyde, and that is called formaldehyde cyanohydrin. Cyanohydrin. On the similar basis, here the product is same. आपने just यहाँ पर H को replace किया by CH3. Otherwise same reaction. CN attacks on carbon and hydrogen attacks on oxygen. You got acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. In case of ketone, just replace both hydrogen of formaldehyde with alkyl groups, that is methyl. Cyanide attacks on carbon, hydrogen attacks on oxygen. which आपके state reactions हैं. Now we see general mechanism of all these reactions. The mechanism of the reaction is, first we discuss about the general reaction like carbonyl compound. In general reaction हम specify नहीं करते, we take general reaction, not specification of hydrogen or alkyl. Reacting by HCN by using base as a catalyst. Then your answer is hydrogen attacks on oxygen and cyanide attacks on carbon, which are detailed से पढ़ा with examples. Now we see the mechanism of the reaction. The mechanism is, first one, this hydrogen cyanide reacting by base, this base attacks on hydrogen plus. बच्चे एक बार जहन में रहे, इन द मैकेनिज्म आपको कुछ बातें जहन में रखनी है, हमने बहुत दफा रिपीट किया. दैट इज आपको बॉन्ड ओपन करना है, बॉन्ड को ओपन करेंगे, आपको चार्जेस असाइन करने हैं और इसके अलावा आपको एरोस प्लेस करने हैं. तो दीज आर द थ्री बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर एनी मैकेनिज्म. बच्चे बॉन्ड मैंने ओपन किया, चार्जेस असाइन किए एंड द एरोस एज वेल. This OH attacks on hydrogen and this won't break. तो आपको एरो लगाना है, चार्जेस लगाने हैं और बॉन्ड ओपन करने हैं. You got water along with Cn negative. This nucleophile Cn negative form in first step reacting by carbonyl compounds. You have to specify the charges, you have to open the bond, you write the arrows as well. This nucleophile attacks on carbon center, this bond break. So your answer is nucleophile makes a bond with carbon and बच्चे O के ऊपर चार्ज आ गया नेगेटिव. This negative charge move towards oxygen. Then in the last step, the water form. I open the bond due to requirement of mechanism. Positive charge on hydrogen, negative charge on OH group. It attacks on hydrogen. This bond break. And your answer is hydrogen goes to oxygen by the formation of OH negative, that is base. This is the base that is reproduced in the reaction, and reaction also started by the base. So they are base catalyzed nucleophilic addition reaction. ये बच्चे आपका मैकेनिज्म था for addition of hydrogen cyanide to carbonyl compounds. Now we discuss about reaction of sodium bisulfite with aldehyde and ketones. Reaction with sodium bisulfite NaHSO3 with carbonyl compounds. Now again we got formaldehyde, then you got acetaldehyde or ethanol, then we take acetone or propanone. When they are reacting by sodium bisulfite NaHSO3, आप सारों में ऐड कर रहे हो sodium bisulfite, that gives white precipitate in the reaction. your products are. Again बच्चे similar pattern का reaction है. We write HCH and then this nucleophile, that is SO3Na, attacks on carbon center and hydrogen attacks on oxygen. You got addition product in a final reaction. That is, again in case of acetaldehyde, SO3Na attacks on carbon and hydrogen attacks on oxygen. In the similar way, here you got acetone reacting by sodium bisulfite, and your answer is again addition product, that is SO3Na attacks on carbon center, act as nucleophile, and hydrogen attacks on oxygen. Now we see the mechanism of this reaction. Now we write general reaction first one and then write the mechanism. In general reaction, carbonyl compound reacting with sodium bisulfite, that gives you the product, that is SO3Na attacks on carbon and hydrogen attacks on oxygen. That is your addition product. That mechanism is very important. The mechanism is, in the first step, sodium hydrogen sulfide, first one ionizes to form sodium ion, hydrogen ion, and the sulfide ion SO3 minus 2. अगर इसको हम ओपन करके लिखे, we may write as SO2O minus and sulfur minus as well. In second step, this SO2O minus reacting by sodium plus, and that produce, we write ONA, means SO3Na and negative charge on sulfur. This is the nucleophile that attacks on carbonyl compound. Carbon contain plus charge, O contain partial negative charge. This SO3Na act as nucleophile. Sulfur attacks on carbon and this bond break, and you got SO3Na by the formation of oxide ion. And then the last step, O minus is there, SO3Na reacting by the hydrogen formed in the first step, that is H positive. It attacks here. And your answer is the final product, that is SO3Na along with OH. ये बच्चे आपका मैकेनिज्म फॉर एडिशन ऑफ सोडियम बाइसल्फाइड टू कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड. तो चार्ज को यहाँ पर अमेंड करेंगे